Have you ever wondered how to list your restaurant, shop, school, or any of your place in Google Maps, so that everyone can see it on Google Map and would be easier for people to get to it? Today we will exactly show you how to do that in minutes. To add your place to Google Maps, you can follow these steps. 1. Open Google Maps on your computer. Click on the 3 horizontal lines on the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Select Add a Missing Place or Add a Place. 4. Enter the name of your place in the address search box. Or click on the Edit Map Location button shown in the maps just below the marker. 5. You can use drag and drop to drag the map and place your marker at the desired place. And then click Save after the marker is placed at desired location. Enter the place name and select a category that best defines your place. There are numbers of categories available to choose from. You can also add photos and a description to make your place more appealing to visitors. Once you have completed all the necessary information, click on Submit to add your place to Google Maps. Now let's perform the same action using Google Maps on our phone. Open Google Maps on your phone and drag the map to a location where you want to add your place and tap on the map. It will insert a marker as shown above. Click on the marker you have just added and it will show you with a list of options as shown above. Choose Add a Missing Place option as highlighted above. After clicking on Add a Missing Place option, you will see a form exactly similar to that of while creating it from a computer browser as discussed in previous steps. Enter the required details and click Submit. That's it. You have added your place in the Google Maps. It may take some time for your place to be approved and appear on Google Maps, but once it is added, it will be visible to millions of users who use Google Maps every day. After your place has appeared on Google Maps, you can share your place with others. Just click on the marker which represents your place and you will see a share option along with the contacts and platform you want to share your place with. Just click on the contact or platform you want to share your place with and click Send. That's it. Now the person you shared your location with will receive a link, and by following the link they will be able to get directions to your place. As a bonus content, let's learn how to enable your location and share it with other people using Google Maps. Did you know you can actually share your exact location to your friends and family using your smartphone by using Google Maps? If you don't know it, let's learn how to do it today. To share your location using Google Maps on your mobile device, follow these steps. Open the Google Maps app on your device. Tap on the blue dot icon on the map, which represents your current location. You might be asked to enable location services for this. Click Allow or turn on location services. After tapping, now you should now see a blue bar appear at the bottom of the screen with information about your location. Click on Share Your Location. You will see the list of contact and list of platforms you want to share your location with. Also, you can customize the duration for how long you want to share your location. Choose how you want to share your location. You can share it through messaging apps, email, or social media. Once you have chosen your preferred sharing method and time frame, tap on the Send button to share your location. After sharing, the contacts that you shared your location with will be able to track you in real time. We hope you learned how to use the Google Map features that we discussed in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Your subscription means a lot to us. Also, don't forget to like the video if you liked it.